All right, here's the layout for the kitchen. And if I made some notes, and if I misunderstood and didn't put the placement of some of these appliances in the right spot, we can get that straightened out, of course. Cooktop will be placed here. Standalone hood, microwave, wall oven, your fridge. We have a run of cabinets here. And our sink front or the island front with our apron sink, the dishwasher, and this is trash. So one thing to keep in mind, and I did not get this measurement for the wall in the backyard here, how far away that is, but right now this island is 87 inches long, and we have about 3 feet from the front of this counter to the side. So we can mark that and then go another 87 and see what kind of room you have over here with the kitchen table. We'll have plenty of room this way, but we need to make sure that we're good here because this would be 36 inches from the front of the island to the back. If you have a 12-inch overhang here, you'd have 36 inches there. And from this wall to the front of the island, the tightest I would go is maybe 42 inches to see if that works out, because I know we've got a corner here, and I should have grabbed that measurement, but I did not. So that's our layout for the kitchen. Then the TV wall here. TV center between these floating shelves are 42 inches wide left to right and 153 inches here. These cabinets are 18 deep. Straightforward run across there. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.